Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Prisma Cloud Compute Operator to deploy Prisma Cloud Compute Console and Prisma Cloud Compute Defenders. If you ever managed Prisma Cloud Compute before, you know that TwistCLI is one of the ways that they recommend you to install console and your defenders. However, if you, like some other companies, using GitOps approach and trying to automate your deployments, you can have some issues using TwistCLI and would prefer to use something else. Luckily, Prisma Cloud Compute have official operator that's available on GitHub. In this video, I'm just going to show you step by step how you can use this operator to install Prisma Cloud Compute. I will be using this example. I will, however, make some changes. I don't want to install Operator Lifecycle Manager, so I will skip this part. The first step in the installation process is to create Twistlock namespace. In my terminal, you can see I just created a new cluster with Minikube. I created a new namespace called Twistlock. The next step is to create credentials. It will be stored in a secret. These credentials will be used by Prisma Cloud Compute Operator. You just need to create a YAML file and store your credentials, including access token, license, password, and username. The only trick here, they have to be base64 encoded. This document shows you how to do it in Linux terminal. For example, for my admin username, I will use admin. I will code it as base64. For my admin password, I will use I love tacos and encode it as base64 as well. Now I will create credentials files and use this base64 encoded values. You can see I have this file in my directory. You can see I created this file. The secret called PCC credentials was created in Twistlock namespace. Next step, I'll clone repository with this operator. I already did it, you can see it here. I will navigate into repository, config, deploy. From here, I will use customize to deploy operator. Let's look at the resources in Twistlock namespace. You can see pod operator is running. The next step is to deploy console and defender. In this document, you can see how to deploy console and defender using this definition. However, you can also deploy individual console or defender. If you scroll to the bottom of this document where it says upgrade process, you can find this YAML definition for just console and just defender. I'm going to show you how you can just deploy the console. I will create a file called console YAML. The only thing I'm going to change is service type, not port. I will apply this deployment. As you can see, Twistlock console is deployed. You can also see the service deployed with the console. I will run minikube service to get URL. Now my credentials should be the same credentials I specified in PCC that credentials YAML file. So for me it's admin I love tacos. As you can see, the console was successfully deployed. That's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Please let me know, guys, if you have any questions on how to deploy Prisma Cloud Console using operator or any other ways deploying the console. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this one. Thank you.